Hello, in this video I will show you how to manage Google Wallet on HOTWAV T5 Pro. So you have to start with opening your wallet application, and here you can add a card to your wallet app, or you can click here on your icon and you can set up tap to pay. And as you can see, this phone doesn't support tap to pay, but you can also go to your participating banks, or you can check password manager. From here you can also check your data in wallet, or you can go to wallet settings. And that's basically everything for this application. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.